Pan a bang on a program full of talk pan the gram so you get a toe tag. You see them as some just come, never know back. Never.
She all a give a bun dog. She all a give a bun dog. Boom! What's good YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Straight out of Jamaica. Now we're here with another reaction video for you guys. We have Sikka Rymes punching bag official video. You understand what I mean? Yeah. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. I will post every single day. 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 for the day. This is the second video of the day. Yeah, man. We're main business over here. So also we're going for that video, people. You don't know, so my father to come dice at the video and mash it and mash it up the right and proper way. You understand? I see every little thing will go on in the video right now. Because the reaction boss is in a full effect, you know. You know what I mean? Road to 10K is raised to subscribe if you guys are not yet subscribed to the reaction boss channel. You know what I mean? Make us see what go on now, man. Still look a preview thing already, so I know the first time I watch a video, but I still look a preview on Instagram and thing you don't know. Right, tune? Alright. So I know say that Nitro and Razor was saying over a corner when I go and build back. You did me I say. And I think this is a Razor woman. That's how I go. I see a little preview, so I try to put 1 and 2 together. And if you want to watch a video without me pausing it, giving my reaction, which you guys are here for, link to the original song is down below in the description of my video. Alright? Run through now. Alright then. No, hold on, wait. You have your man, right there, so. I have you to turn this man across the road. I want to go on. What really are going right there, so? Go on with the video, I can see what I go on for real.
What is on corner? You cook it?
Yes. Auntie Razor. No, hold on, wait. Auntie Razor. Oh, you just down body up, son. I joke, man. I know she's down there. But hold on there. And the character we are talking about today. Hold on there, Auntie Razor. The woman come from work and ask if you cook it. It depends ends with a friend. I build probably about 2. Hold on, go on.
Why next up?
That's glad.
You better try not to say food cooking up, I'm hungry, you know.
She turn good though. Well, wait, people look for her. Okay, she turn good though. For night, I'll find the show there. Look for her in there, so. She turn good though. Yeah, what's she?
Every day me at work, and you come back on corner. I'm still like y'all.
She turn good.
Yeah, man.
So if the man want to wait, what kind of friend you will be doing? I really want to see the video play out there because I want to say something. Watch what go on, I want to get beat up. Make us see what go on, people. Run up on the like button. Alright, run through now. Alright.
Yo, JP.
Hold on, Sikka. We know see the Sikka Rymes already, but hold on. I could see the big batty girl on the bike back. Yeah. Tattoo and baiting. Yeah. Make sure you're in a slow motion too. You don't know reaction boss don't play around here. I'm there for the reaction though. Go on. Yeah, baby. Pass through. Alright. We're looking at you now. Yo, JP, what a thing. Run tune.
JP, what a thing. Two woman evil, all the devil say me sin.
Bumbo click. You want to say to him evil, the devil say the man sin. Yo, what? Run tune.
Empty the clip, dog. Man clip charge up. Fully loaded, dog. Fuck up anywhere where we are roaring.
Yeah.
The one papa cat one like the mom girl.
The man I carry gun in a back pocket in a youth. You think I'm not normal this youth. You try to test them man and you see something. Back pocket, you think a quality man take out. Boss out here, youth. Run tune.
Up a big yard. Read the car for what the some fraud make. Gala beat them like punching dog.
Oh no. Razor dog. No.
Like punching bag.
Gala beat them like punching bag.
Send a girl fi kill your dog in a bag.
What? Hey, the girl can go up on the bike back, you know. But what on the why Razor take? What go on? What go on in that video? Go on the tune now, stop. Go on, must watch and see what.
Bang on a program full of talk on the gram, so you get a toe tag.
Yeah.
You see them as some just come, never know back. Never.
She all a give a bun, dog. She all a give a bun, dog. She all a give a bun. Watch them something here.
Me cut up in never see a M1 GP
Obviously, she that cheat with the VP bars in the cash. We have him a while ago. But obviously, that's it on the phone there. Obviously, she that cheat. Oh, God, raise her dog. Oh, God. No, sir.
Jump and clip, charge up, fully loaded dog. Fuck up anywhere where we are rolling dog.
She a cute up and baiting now. You know what she a go do? She a go to go tell little body from the VP boss. You know? Why you go to about that razor blade? Make we know. Punching bag. Go on.
Like the mongrel dog up a big yard.
Oh, she up on the bike back. She up on the bike back then. Punching bag. She could have a little more Batista, man. Nah lie, but dressed they look kinda.
Them like punching bag. Go chip on the ninja pagan. Shut up, fly like busy chopping a land.
See what she all I got the dog. Honestly, I'm miss the scene. Me I go walk in every day. Come on, see her. Where she there? Yeah, bumbo clip, man. Yeah. Oh, she turn down a little bit and shake it for us, yeah. Yeah. Go see some more.
I punching
yeah, she grab it up too. I don't really want to see the dog. Remember that show. Go on.
Me and beat it, me good there neatly. Vicky could keep it, she leak out the secret. The
feet. Which one think I want tickers up on the back, you know? Me think I want ticker. We all know the song, people, so I'm going to the song for myself. I think I want tickers up on the back a while ago. Go on.
Never do that, tell them easy. If you gun, no one them greasy.
Yep, gang and take the VP boss. What you gonna do about that? I bet you must have something I working on the side scenario because you can't have that one beer and go on.
Yo.
This is the exclusive up on the phone. Well, I raise it, promote yourself. You slick the blood key in your phone case and your phone screen here. Boom! What's the one go on? Let's raise a little going on that to think about a ramp.
Party tonight.
Yeah, so what year be?
She good.
Alright. We ready long time.
How can that bone, man?
Alright, okay.
How can that bone, man, be raised a dog? Your woman gang give you a bun. And you call your friend. Come over here, yard. Not even say one girl as a friend.
Long time, ready?
We're a party now, how are you going? I must have party them I go. Yo, me can't make that run that video. I must have party the man them and forward go dog. What's the war going? I must have party now forward go. Alright then. Most probably see a party where she there with Sikka, you know. Big bag. Dog. I'll go through the video a little bit now because the video is too long already. Maybe longer than no. See what I go on there so. Maybe she find him at the party. Well, I know. What you do a party? Well, him buying years and I came guy yard. A drama this dog, my bumbuckle head. Look at the face. No, see there. Go on. Punch it bagger. She look good though, man. Nah lie. She turn good. That one, she did look good. She up on the bike back when she stand up so. It's alright. Go through. Me see you yesterday. And I showed on the hills. No, somebody wants to show kick crazy and blood clean, dog. Yeah, no. On the hot box of care and thing. Outside I get them outside. People big up on yourself and check on the reaction boss video. Smash a like on the reaction, as me I say. Big up on one back of yourself. I'm out.